What's up guys, I'm Grace, you're the Mighties, and today I'm going to be taking you step by step through me redoing my room, and along the way I will be giving you some tips and tricks on how you can do it by yourself for your room. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe by clicking the big red button down below. Also, another announcement, now I will be posting on hashtag Mighty Sundays. Monday, I just wasn't feeling Monday. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop right on to the video. So, this is my loft bed. I actually sleep on this bed right here. But today, I'm parting with my loft bed. As you can see, I have a lot of magnets on it. So the first thing I'm going to do before I do anything else is get everything that's mine off of it. I also have some string lights, so that is going to take quite a bit. Time lapse. Okay, so now I am done taking all the magnets and I just have to do the lights, but that is going to take a bit, so I'm going to do it off camera. Alright guys, so this is what we're working with. We took away the mattress. I've cut all the lights down because those aren't actually attached. All my decorations are gone, and now we just have to take it apart, which is the hard part. And just to recap, we are getting rid of this loft bed, putting my bed on this wall coming out, and then we have two dressers that are currently my mom and dad's. We're putting those there, and they're getting my sister's, and she's getting mine. It's a bit confusing, but yeah. And obviously the next step after we get rid of my loft bed is to put everything back where it belongs. That means putting all these stuffed animals over there, moving the extension cords, and making my bed. I actually have a great idea for these magnets. Now the next thing we have to do is put things where they go. Room, one of the most important things to do is tidy your bed, because when you clean your room you tend to throw everything on the floor that's just random onto your bed. So as you can see, I've put away 90% of that, just that's left, and you would be surprised at how much your pillows need fluffing. When your bed is looking like this, you know you're ready to move on. Side tables. Basically all you need on your side table is maybe an alarm clock, one piece of decoration, a book, and one more thing that you'd like. Ta-da! Next up, shelves. Deciding what to put on your shelves but also making it not just look like junk can be kind of hard. Here's how I like to do it. My top shelf stores my notebooks, pens, and a few other decorations while still looking quite nice. Because of all the colors, it doesn't end up looking something like this. Bookshelf. Clearly, it got a little messed up in the move. Don't to worry, that can be fixed easily. Be sure to tidy any other shelves as needed, and in the end, your shelves should look something like this. If you have more than one shelf, do the same to the second shelf as you did to the first one. So now that I have dressers, I need to move my clothes. One dresser is going to be for clothes. I haven't decided what the other is going to be for. And I currently keep my clothes out the door in like the linen closet, not this part. Okay, so I just put all my clothes away in my dresser drawer, and obviously there's still this whole dresser. So what I'm going to do is put some of my crafting things from this blue bin to that dresser. To eliminate lots of small furniture pieces in your room, simply just get one bigger furniture piece to put all your stuff. As you know, I'm putting that blue stuff in there. Okay guys, so it's actually quite a bit later, but right now I am mostly done with my room. There is just a few finishing touches I need to make, but you are about to see what I did. Let's quick recap. When remodeling your room, the first thing you're going to want to do is get everything off the floor and put it on your bed or your dresser, just any type of surface. Next is vacuum. You want to do this before you move the furniture around, just to be sure you get all the crumbs out of the way, and you'll do it again once the furniture is in place. Next, move the furniture. Be sure to wipe down any surfaces that are dirty or just don't look completely clean. All you have to do now is put the stuff on your bed back where it goes, vacuum again, and you should be done. Here we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe by clicking the big red button down below. Be sure to join me every hashtag Mighty Sunday for another new video and sometimes a vlog. See you next Sunday for another Mighty Sunday. Bye!